Alright, what's up everyone? It's been a couple days since I last picked up the camera. Last you guys saw, I did this, organized the garage. What I'm doing right now is actually packing parts up that need to be shipped. So my buddy down in Oregon wants this mirror, so I'm going to get that thing wrapped up and packed for him. Where did it go? Oh, it's right here. And then I got the order for the gentleman who wants all the side molding. That's all packed up. I just need to figure out shipping for him and then get a payment. Go ahead and put an address on it, get that thing sent out. Waiting on a payment on this before I fully pack it up, send it out. And then also what came in the other day are these. So these, I'm actually happy with the quality on these stickers. I got 20 of them and I'm actually almost out, so definitely need to make another order of those. But if you guys want a sticker, hit me up on Instagram. It'll be down in the description. I'm gonna start doing that and just linking all of like the group social media, Divine Stars, my personal one, and then also my personal Twitch. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. I don't even know what time it is. Might also do a little bit more cleaning and organizing in the garage. And then I'm not sure if it's gonna be this video or the start of the next one, but I am picking up another car tonight. So look forward to that. It's gonna be kind of a weird one because I'll give you guys a hint, it's not a Toyota. So I'm breaking my own rule. Technically speaking, I'm no longer Mr. Toyota since I own something other than a Toyota, but it'll allow me to progress on some goals that I've had for a while and haven't really been chasing. But with this car, I'll definitely be able to do what I've been wanting to do, so that'll be fun. I'll be able to leave my Cressida as the, you know, nice car, take it out, have fun. I still plan to drift it. Yes, this new car will be drifted. It's probably gonna be my daily driver for a little bit, or for as long as I can. Daily drive the car and also casually drift the car. So start going to events again, start actually drifting and make myself a bit better driver. Because yes, I do like the whole show car thing and doing all that, but that's, you know, that's not really me. I want something to drift, which is what the Cressida was supposed to be, but with how much time and money I've dropped into it, and then how high maintenance the car would be, it's just not, it doesn't make sense for me to drift that car. So that's the plan. I probably will still take the Cressida out to a couple of events, but for me to progress and be, you know, just get seat time, that's not the car for it. The new car will definitely be a more of a seat time car, which I was thinking it would have been another Toyota, but again, that would have been a project for me to get up. But yeah, so I'm gonna get this stuff packed up and I'll see you guys in a bit. thought I had more to box up and package, but I don't actually. There is something else I can do. I need to pack one more envelope for another just sticker order. And that's kind of all I got for now. But yeah, I thought that was gonna take longer. Got the long tube over there with the side molding. I forgot someone also ordered, what's in here is a driver's side door handle. So that's boxed up for them. And then the mirror. So these two are ready to go out as soon as I get payment and address. Same thing for that. So that's 3 boxes ready to go. I got 1 envelope packed with a stamp on it with stickers in it because someone already ordered stickers, so that's ready to go out. Might send that out today. And then I got 1 more sticker to do. And that's actually going to, not charging this guy. It's actually going to the guy who designed, or who drew this. So definitely want to give him one since he wants one. So that'll be cool. But yeah. Also, I don't know if you guys saw in the time lapse, but if you do buy a part or whatever, I think it's just something nice for me to do. If you buy a part from me, whether it's off the parts car or something I list random, like I listed my old LSD, that's up. The 4AC is for sale. Might list the transmission, and maybe the turbo manifold. But yeah, if you buy something from me, I'll hook you up with a sticker. So that's that. Not sure what else I'm gonna do. I might go ahead and start organizing the garage some more. I got a big whiteboard to put up so I can kind of keep track of the projects and what I need to do. So I'll get that hung up. I can figure out how this actually hangs up. I think I should be able to just drive some more nails into the wall and get it put up. Or if anything, I don't know, I'll figure that out. But yeah, hope you guys like the little packaging intro. I might try and do a thing where I'm gonna start selling stickers and little things of the Cressida. You can't even see it anymore because of all the stuff on my bench. But yeah, so talk to you guys in a second. Yeah, I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put this whiteboard. Might put it, yeah, I'll figure that out, and maybe time-lapse me organizing and cleaning more stuff. So see you guys in a sec. All right, what's up everyone? It's been a little bit since I picked up the camera. Just did some little things in the garage, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but we are in my new car, which is a 2003 Infiniti G35. 6-speed, of course. For those who don't know, my first car was actually I want to say the color was Emerald Mist. It was a green G35 sedan. Sadly, that one was automatic. Have been chasing one of these pretty much since I lost that one. That one got wrecked not long after I got it. Not my fault, not gonna go into that. But yeah, after that car sold, that's when I dove into Toyotas, and I've been chasing a manual G35 sedan ever since. So my buddy Sam decided to sell this one, sell his, which came with a set of coilovers, so look forward to that. We'll be doing coilovers on this in the near future. And a couple other little extra things. But yeah, it's weird. Back in a VQ car again, and it's, I don't know how well you guys can hear, but it's kind of loud. So, I'll see you guys back at the house.